Hey guys, my name is Mady Koller and I'm reporting live from the show floor at the last day of Outdoor Retailer Summer Market. I'm here with my friends Chase Anderson and Rachel Bodily from the Outdoor Product Design and Development program at Utah State University. So Chase, tell us a little bit about the program and what you guys are doing here at the show.
Yeah, so the program started in the fall of 2015. It's an undergraduate degree focused on training the next generation of product designers for sport and outdoor. And we were invited to come here by Outdoor Retailer to set up an upcycling station. So taking materials that we'd received from brands and mills and turning them into new products. So Rachel's one of our students who's come here to the show and is making great products that you see here.
Yeah, show us these chalk bags.
So they're all from the recycled materials, and we started by laser cutting all the material that we had. And so we made that outer shell, and then we made the lining. And in the lining, we put tabs so we could do the drawstrings. We have our little logo, and A's for Aggies that we use as the cinch cords, and then just some belt loops. And they've been a huge hit. People really like them.
How did this idea start? Where did it come from?
Really, we just had a mountain of fabric in our studio space, and we needed to find a way to use it in a productive way. We didn't just want to throw it away. It was all secondhand anyways. It had come from mills and brands that they didn't want. It was otherwise going to be thrown away. And really we got approached by the show and thought, well, maybe we could demonstrate the students' skills. We could bring sewing machines. We could take that material and we could use it in a productive way. So it kind of happened organically. The show, just at the right time, wanted us to be a little more involved and demonstrate some of the students' skills. So just kind of grew together and came out of working with the show closely.
Awesome. So sustainability seems to be a part of this program. Rachel, I know that you created and you upcycled a new product. Tell us a little bit about your poncho.
Yes, so I designed a poncho made for like spring ski and snowboarding, and it was from just leftover fabric that Event had. And so I took that, created a pattern, and made it reversible so that you could use it anywhere at any time. It's really comfortable, and it worked out really well. Got a good grade on the project, so that was awesome.
Awesome.
But yeah, it's been a lot of fun using all the different materials for projects.
Cool. So how long does it take you to make a chalk bag?
To make a chalk bag, we've got it down to about 6 or 7 minutes from like start to finish. We've been timing ourselves.
They've got it down to 6 or 7 minutes. It takes me a lot longer.
I was going to say, I was like, that's really impressive.
Chase on the other hand.
Start to finish. That's awesome. So Chase, you've seen the program kind of from the beginning to the end. How do you feel like this program is going to affect the industry?
Oh, I think our students just bring a lot of energy to the industry, a lot of passion. There's a lot of passion in the industry already, but I think our students are coming in hungry and ready for change. They come to the industry and they see things that they wish were different. They see products that they wish they could change a little bit here and there. They want to make an impact, and so I think that's the biggest thing that they're going to bring is not only the skills that they're learning in class, but just the passion and hunger for the industry and making positive change.
Rachel, how do you feel like the program has prepared you to come into the industry?
Throughout the years, because I've been in here 3 years now, and we get a lot more skills than anyone else going into the industry, because we have the design background, the developing background, we have sustainability, and we also have like the business. So we're really well-rounded, so we can fill almost any position. We learn like the soft goods and the hard goods, color theory, everything that goes into it. So we're very prepared for any company or any designs we want to do.
So you're like ready to go.
I'm excited.
Would you rather go into hard goods, soft goods?
Right now I'm leaning more towards soft goods and the apparel or like technical apparel stuff. But I also like hard goods. There's some really cool designs that you can do and add to.
So we just got a question from our Facebook Live. How does USU partner with brands, and what can brands do to support the program?
Yeah, so there's a whole suite of opportunities that we engage brands. First and foremost, we want to find ways to help our students get into the industry, whether that's through an internship or full-time job placement. That's ultimately our goal, is to help the students get jobs and contribute in that way. But material donations are always really helpful for us. If we're close by, if you're in Utah, or if we're coming out for the show, visiting companies, meeting with brands, bringing brands into the classroom to do a guest lecture and speak with the students. Sponsored projects are also something that we're ramping up. So working with brands that maybe have a back burner project that their design team can't get to, but we could incorporate into a studio class, and our students could start to work on and have a real world project by the end of the semester that they could put into their portfolio that also benefits the brand. So there's a lot of different avenues to get brands involved in the program.
Awesome. So someone wants to know if we're selling the chalk bags.
No, they're all free.
Totally free.
They're all free for people to come by. We've got a couple left, so come by our booth. You can come and grab one.
Cool. So speaking of the impact that students have, I heard that you guys just had your first graduating class of the program. What are those students doing with their shiny new degrees?
Yep, we had about 30 graduate, and about half of them were already placed in jobs. Quite a few of them had job offers before they graduated. We're going to survey the rest at the end of the summer and see where the rest ended up. But we've got a few who've landed at some pretty great companies. So just heard of one who just got a job offer at Under Armour. So moving to Portland doing footwear design. We've had students end up at Columbia Sportswear and Black Diamond and Orvis in Vermont. So we've had students kind of go all over the place. So
awesome.
Getting placed.
Well, I appreciate you guys' time. If you want to check out them a little bit more, you can find their information below in the description, their Instagram and their website, so that you can figure out how to get involved with this awesome program.